Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registrations in Morocco. Morocco is a country in North Africa which borders the North Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. Morocco has capitalized on its close proximity to Europe and relatively low labor cost to build a diverse open market oriented economy. Registering a company in Morocco. All Moroccan companies must have a registered office in Morocco. A bank account must be opened prior to the incorporation to provide evidence that the share capital of the proposed SARL has been deposited. A minimum of one director is required. Accounts do not have to be filed annually. Minimum share capital of MAD 1 lakh. 100% of the minimum share capital must be paid up in advance. Setting up a limited liability company. Limited liability companies must have a minimum of 5 shareholders who can be either legal entities or individuals. The shareholder's liability is limited to the amount of share equity the shareholder hold. Upon incorporation of the limited liability company, a quarter of the equity capital must be paid in advance, if paid in cash contributions. If it is paid in contributions in kind, it must be fully paid upon incorporation. Both bearer and registered shares may be issued by the limited liability company. The minimum share value is 50 MDH. The company has no corporate name but a trade name, and there are generally no restrictions on the sale and transfer of shares to third parties. Setting up a private limited company. The private limited company is an intermediate type between associations of persons and of capital. It is always a trading company, regardless of its corporate name, and its minimum equity capital is 10,000 MDH. It may be formed by 2 or more members who are only liable to the amount of their share of the equity capital in the company. Unlike a general partnership, members of a private limited company do not need to be registered merchants. The private limited company must file a memorandum of association as part of its incorporation process. The capital stock has to be fully described and paid up as the company is formed. Setting up a branch office. The branch affiliate or subsidiary of a foreign corporation is regarded as a separate legal entity. The Moroccan branch, however, has to disclose certain details regarding its parent company, its representatives, and its delegated powers. Setting up a sole proprietorship. Foreigners may establish in Morocco sole proprietorships. In a sole proprietorship, the business is conducted under the responsibility of an individual personally liable for the debts of the business to the extent of all business and personal assets. The business must be registered with the Commerce Registry and with the tax authority.